today I'm going to show you how to make craft paper from used paper. The materials that I need is of course used paper, a little cheaper. These used papers really means a lot to me because my mom and I used to make reviewers for my lessons, and so that I thought of this project so my mom won't buy fancy papers and stationeries anymore. Actually, these papers are already used. The next materials that I need are towels, scissors, containers, water, and iron. Let's start! The first step is that we need to peel a piece of this page. First, we need to cut it to our hands, and we need to use scissors so that it can cut into smaller pieces. To make it faster, just get some of the papers and cut until it should look like this. Now, we just need to pour a little water. Luckily, last year in my industrial arts club, we made a tie-dye shirt. Like this. Now, it is your option if you want to put dye or not. Just pour a little. Now, you just need to mix it. After the papers soak in water, we should leave it for at least 3 hours, or it's much better if you leave it for 24 hours. So bye guys, and see you tomorrow.
24 hours later.
Welcome back! This is how it looks like after 24 hours. Now we need to prepare the towels, any absorbent towels that are available, and another absorbent towel. We can use spoon or hands, but make sure you can remove the excess water. And after you remove the excess water, you just need to spread it out. So guys, this will take some time because we need to remove the excess water. Just be patient. And after doing this, you just need to spread it out. And make sure there is no spaces in between so it can be a nice and perfect paper. Now we need to fold it. And then if you have any jar or bottle, just flatten it out. You can also use hands. Now, fold it again and flatten. You can use a jar again. Now, after doing that, you can just replace it with another absorbent towel because it is wet. And another one. And just put it again here. And then fold it. And flatten it again. After doing this, you can just replace it again with another towel. To make it faster, we can use a flat iron. Flip the towel over and iron it again. Now let's see if it is completely dry. It is completely dry. We have a craft paper. You can make different colors or shapes by using this. This is the final product. Thank you.